Hey everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In today's quick video, I'll show you how to mass delete emails in Gmail, right on your PC in 2025. If this helps you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more fast tech tips. Alright, let's get rolling. Start by opening Gmail and heading to your inbox. Say you've got more than 1,000 emails, but only 50 show up. Click the select button up top to grab all on this page and a handy pop-up will pop up. All 50 conversations selected. Want all? Hit that, and it snags everything. Now click Delete, easy as that. For bigger cleanups like 1,700 emails in your Social tab, do the same. Select all, confirm the 2,000 plus total, and hit Delete. It'll ask to confirm the bulk action, say yes, and it's gone. Might take a couple minutes, so hang tight. Also, check your trash later to empty it for good. And that's it. You've successfully mass deleted emails in Gmail. Let me know in the comments if it worked for you. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll catch you in the next one.